Hello tech lovers, today's video is on XT9 Professional Mini Drone Review. Through extensive research, and based on quality, we've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So, whether it's features, performance of its particular side or necessary topics, we've got you covered with more information on this drone. We have also included the links in the description box down below. You can like the video, show your creativity in the comments section, and subscribe for more tech-related videos. We upload multiple videos in a week. Now, let's get started. Mini drones are in some people's searched items. Sometimes minis are searched more instead of normal drones. There are some features that help us know about a great mini drone or a bad mini drone. In this video, we have discussed an awesome mini drone. Without further ado, let's go and gather some important information. This particular mini drone is full of great features. Let's discuss those things. The drone has 22.6 by 5 by 20.4 centimeters expand size and 12 by 5 by 7.6 centimeters folded size. Because of its great foldable design, the drone has great portability too. Much more details about design will be discussed in the later of the video. This drone is provided with a 4K dual camera. The drone has 90-degree remote control lens. With high-definition lens, real-time picture transmission, and 120-degree ultra-wide-angle shooting range, you can record every wonderful moment. The 120-degree wide angle and 90-degree remote control is very helpful and useful. It provides great clips from a flat angle and squints angle. This drone has an impressive modular battery. For obvious reasons, the battery is easy to install and uninstall. The 1,800 mAh high-capacity modular battery allows you to fly longer. The 1,800 mAh battery capacity provides about 15 minutes of battery life. Now it is time to discuss various functions of XT9 Professional Mini Drone. This amazing drone is provided with all-around obstacle avoidance, and all-around obstacle avoidance is very necessary for every type of flyer. The drone is safer with this amazing feature. The drone is safe from damage and crushes with this all-around obstacle avoidance. This drone is equipped with an infrared obstacle avoidance detector. It can intelligently detect surrounding obstacles 360 degrees during flight and prevent collisions, scratches, and refuse crash damage. It also makes your flight more comfortable. There are many types of obstacle avoidance: follow and shoot to avoid obstacles, shuttle corridor obstacle avoidance, pedestrian flight obstacle avoidance, solid object obstacle avoidance, etc. It has a cleverly folded and unfolded design. You can fold the propellers of the drone and keep them with the body, and also the fans of the drone with the rest of the body. It has an aviation material body. The drone is also fall resistant, and it is also easy to carry. A big amount of people like beauty filters. Beauty filters make some changes here and there and make the photo look different from the original photo, in a good way of course. The beauty touches are good and sharing them is also easy. You will get one-click sharing of beauty filter creative MV production. Gesture photo reduces lots of effort. It helps to reduce some extra hassles. It makes the shooting process easy and reasonable. You can show specific gestures, and according to these gestures, the drone will capture photos or videos. The drone captures photos and records videos with the help of gestures within 2 meters. It has an intelligent follow feature. Intelligent follow helps the drone to stick around a specific subject all the time. Suppose you are roaming with a boat. It will follow you along and keep shooting you with much ease. This intelligent follow shooting feature is effective to record sweet moments. It has an amazing feature that lets you have a 360-degree circle around you and have some great shots. It provides even more great services in some specific environments or situations. It provides great clips when you are on a mountain or in a tower. The drone is capable of providing great shots with smoothness. This 360-degree surrounding, fixed point route is a one-click shooting blockbuster. It provides easy takeoff and landing. So the whole process seems like fun. Because sometimes taking off and landing is headache. Making these taking off, landing, and returning easy, anyone can fly these drones with ease. There comes a variety of functions that can be controlled through the remote control, without cumbersome control, and novices can easily get started. Waypoint flight is a really useful feature. It is more useful for the novices. It makes the flying process easier and more relaxing. It provides some relaxing moments for the flyers. With the waypoint flight feature of this drone, you can have customized flight waypoints through app to realize automatic flight. Mobile phone control is a very contemporary feature nowadays. Who doesn't like to use mobile phone and do different types of regular work with it? With the necessity of mobile phone, it has become a very useful and inseparable part of our life. And being able to control the drone with this familiar device is a fun thing to do. The drone provides 5 seconds transmission to share wonderful moments and flying experiences. With this, the drone provides real-time viewing of images and high-definition transmission without delay. Because of having a great inner design, the drone provides some strong power and it is built in with multi-speed adjustable speed. Headless mode is a feature that lets the flyer fly the drone with zero basic knowledge. After you turn this feature on, the drone will fly based on the front of the remote control, and no need to identify the direction. Hovering is soothing feature of a drone. It provides some calm moments in flying process. Stable hovering provides the drone with ability to fly it greatly in both indoor and outdoor environments. With this feature, the drone can hover at a fixed height, provide precise and stable flight, and hopefully, there is no danger of bombing. Hover effect helps to have unshaky clips. Let's discuss about the pros and cons of this drone. It has great obstacle avoidance, dual 4K camera, easy taking off and landing, great design, 360-degree surrounding shoot. The cons are: the portability could be better, the battery capacity could be better. This drone is without a doubt a praiseworthy drone itself. The quality and features are impressive and must have. After talking about the features and qualities, we can openly recommend this drone. You can give a shot at this one. If you like the video and find it helpful, you can always give a like on this video. Smash that subscribe button for more tech-related informative videos. The links to all products we have talked about are in the description box down below. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, have fun and keep up the good work.